Nothing.
Are you recording this?
No. My camera.
Let me see it then.
My camera. I'm drooling on my blanket.
Let me see it.
No, my camera.
Let me see. Let
No.
me record you, bitch.
No.
So you admit to it.
No.
Ow. My head. I'm already retarded as it is.
Just need to lose a few more brain cells.
Save me, laugh, you're a stupid bitch. You got like thank you.
You can always shove it in your mouth.
Oh, baby, I didn't mean to hit you. Aw, it's a wacko. She's gonna rip my face off. Oh, it's a wacko. Wait, let me try something. Ow! Fuck you.
Something in your hair. She's like, let me eat the string. Ooh.
Tally at her worst. She could rip your dick off in a second. Watch out, boys. This is what you have to deal with.
Oh.
That could be your dick.
Oh, my goodness.
Hello. This is Caitlin's ass. There you go. Ow. Ow. Fuck you.
Oh, shush your face, you're good.
Tally looks so evil.
Holly's like killing my string.
Reach for it, bitch. She just bitch slapped your camera. Up the nose. Let's see what's up there.
Did you stop her? Oh my god.